Give it a bit of gas. Let's try start it. That's in reverse. Yeah. Yeah, it's weird though, isn't it? So the slave ceiling is right under there. So we might have to take all the interior out to get to that. But we're just trying to figure out whether to just mess with this first. Go on. Yeah, go on. I mean, it doesn't do anything, does it? I'm assuming that'd spurt something if it's a...
It's gone hard.
It's gone hard. So it was just that.
It's that.
Thought it might be. Huh, all that.
I've got to take the fucking interior out.
That's what I mean, that's what I thought. Let's try that first. Right, so that was nice and easy. Yeah, so it obviously just seized into the piston in the master cylinder's obviously seized into the walls of it or whatever, I guess. So it's a little bit of a tap with that, and it's all right. So I guess we can rock it back and forth now. Probably does want to get a new one though, and I guess we'll fit that. Yeah, that's all right, isn't it? Any different?
Nothing.
What? Come back. See if it moves. We'll just crack it first. You want to just put that there? Yes. So hang on. That's... Yeah, that's it. Just put it underneath. Now come out. No, there's a bit coming out there. Right, so we need to crack these off. So that was, what was that? 7/16. This is an half for them in here. I mean, we've got to take that off and get that clevis pin out as well, haven't we? But we'll just see if that goes. There we go. It's not spinning the other side, was it? No. There's another one under there. Maybe a bit tough.
We'll have to take this bracket off here.
Yeah, we might do. We need to undo that clevis pin and all that, don't we? Oh, there we go. Gone. Use that end. So just kind of pull off.
Looks like it's a bit past the bloody post. Don't know how that comes off.
We need to get that split pin off, don't we? Get that. I assume that just pulls off when you can get it past there.
Yeah.
You're probably going to have to take the split pin out first, and then that clevis pin will come out, and then you can slide this off. You get it? There you go. Split pin out.
That's it.
So I bet that just pulls off now if you can pull that arm up. There you go.
That's free, that is now.
So yeah, you pull that like that. I bet this just comes off. There you go. Stiff. You want me to have a go with that, anyway?
I don't know. A long time.
Yeah, I bet they've been on there since new.
It's just
Don't pop it on the bench. I was expecting more come out of that.
yeah, we'll seal that now.
So we had that nut behind that inside there. That's weird. Can't be right. It's so rusty, isn't it, that? I think it'd be just easier by another. Don't think that's coming back. So is there any fluid in it at all yet? So
Nothing.
fair enough.
Yeah.
A bit cleaner in there, isn't it?
Clean, isn't it? What do you think of that?
That's good, isn't it? Yeah, like style. Mint.
No.
There we go. Right. You ready?
Yeah.
What's it doing out?
Some bubbles come up there. How's it feeling?
Hard to tell really. I think it won't have any pressure when it's got the lid off. How's it going?
Except that bloke's had bubbles keep pumping.
Is it still coming?
Yeah, bubbles keep coming up. Loads of them.
I bet they will. Is it still going? Loads of bubbles?
Still bubbles coming on.
Yeah, I mean we might need to bleed it the other way really. Go on then. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's still coming out. Yeah, I wonder if we'll get rid of them pumping it this way or...
Still bubbles.
Still coming up, yeah. Yeah, still bubbles coming up. Yeah, still a lot of bubbles coming out.
That's up.
Oh yeah, no, it's still bubbles.
Feels like it's got pressure there.
Does it?
A lot more pressure coming.
Yeah, it's kind of stopping now, them bubbles.
The bubbles still coming.
Looks like they've gone.
Have they stopped?
Yeah, can't see any.
There's pressure there now.
Alright, I'll put this on then. There you go. So hopefully that's done it now. Be a nice cheap fix if it has. I'll say give her a go. So we're going to put it on the ramps now and try and see if we can bleed it properly.
Can you see it?
I can see something else.
Oh.
Yeah, it's above that. No, I think it's alright as it is. I think we forget doing that. Just saying, I think we forget doing the yeah. Right, so we're just going to take it out now for a quick drive. Decided not to bleed it from the slave cylinder in the end, just as it's absolute pain in the arse. So yeah, just kind of see how it gets on.